Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a sync account from your Android device. So if you got many accounts on your Android device, like many accounts, app accounts, and you want to remove one of them, this is how you can do it. First, you can go to the settings on your phone and then just scroll down until you find the account settings. This one, accounts. So as you guys can see here, there are so many accounts synced on my device. There are Google, Facebook, Gmail, Google Meet, Messenger, WhatsApp, and others. Here you can also add account, but if you want to remove a certain account, so for example, I want to remove a Messenger account from my device, just click on the apps, and there will be this options remove account. So just tap on that, and there will be this confirmations question. Removing this account will delete all of these messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. If you are sure, just click on remove account, and just like that, the account will be removed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.